If you do this one thing, you will be able to stay motivated on your diet. Just this one thing. Hi, I'm Vickie Griffith with Breakthrough. I help people release weight so they can keep it off with much more ease than any other program or diet that you've been on before. Please like this video. You can subscribe to it if you're watching on YouTube and hit the bell notifications. And please share. If this resonates with you, this will resonate with someone you know to help them stay motivated and on their diet for this new year. So what is this one thing? This one thing is, what is your why? Ask yourself the question, what is my why? Why is it that I want to be thinner, slimmer, healthier? This exercise might take you 5 minutes. It might take you 10. It might take you 30. It might take a couple times going back to it. And I actually recommend that because at first your whys are going to be able to fit into my cute clothes in the closet, or to be able to buy cute clothes in the closet, to be able to go upstairs without huffing and puffing, to be able to play with your kids, all very beautiful whys, but go a little bit deeper. What is it that you really want, that you're expecting to get being thinner? What is your why? What is your reasoning? If you want to look good in a swimsuit, that's fabulous. What is that going to bring to you to look great in a swimsuit? Is it confidence that you're looking for? Is it getting attention that you're looking for? Nothing is wrong. Nothing is completely right. It's all about moving into what's my why. And that moment that you are standing in front of the fridge and it's open for the 12th time, or you can't stop thinking about a candy bar, you can go to this list of why it's important to you. It could be your health. And maybe your doctor told you, you need to go on a diet, you need to lose weight. That why is important because obviously being healthier when you're thinner is really important. But I don't know about you, but sometimes I dig my heels in even harder if someone tells me I have to do anything. So you need to come up with the reason why and what that's going to feel like when you achieve that why, and start feeling like that now. I know that sounds really odd, but start feeling that way now. If you feel that you're going to be happier when you're thinner, then start being happier now. If you think you're going to be more confident thinner, then start being more confident now. If you want to have more laughter and humor in your life, then start doing that now. And that will also motivate you. If you're finding that cravings are getting in your way, it's the number one self-sabotage that people tell me they have, is that they just can't get rid of their cravings and they fall into them every time. Looking at your why is going to help you. What is it you want to feel will help you. And then the third step in that is to go to crushcravings.com and download the video series that I've made for you so that it will help you crush your cravings many times in 30 seconds or less, so that you can think more clearly and concentrate more fully on that why this is really important to you to release this weight. It will keep you motivated. So go to crushcravings.com. Also remember, like, share, follow me on all of the platforms that you're used to seeing me on. And on YouTube, please subscribe and hit the bell notifications. That lets you know I'm on. Until next time, sending love to everyone. Bye now.